I am going to look at some of the explorations happening these days with the navigation block. So right now I'm in a local development site running WordPress 5.9 and non-Gutenberg plugin in this tab. So we see I'm in full site editing. We can see the page here for page template. And we can also see it over here. It says template. So basically, everything we see on this screen as it is right now, that is what we should see on the front end of the site. So clicking W up here kind of opens the editor area. You can click it again to close it. Over here we have a style area. So one suggestion in a PR is in this tab right here is having a vertical black area like this. For me, it really creates a disruption in what I see visually of the layout of the page. It's a huge contrast of black and white like this. For me, it kind of disturbs when I see the layout. I'm wondering if this part of the layout or not, because I'll see this white area and I see the layout as it is. So up here, this is kind of like the W area. It opens like this. And we have then two new icons here, one for navigation. It will open a navigation list. And one for styles, which would open up styles on the side here. So as I see it, it would be better not to have this. I made some suggestions on how to tackle that. One suggestion here is actually to open up the W area, and inside of it one can have a design with styles and navigation, and then an editor area for site templates and template parts. So in a sense, this will gradually almost turn into the new WordPress left admin menu. One for design, one for editor. One can also add different links below here. So in a sense, one can also over time just add pages and posts, so one doesn't even have to go back to dashboard, or this actually becomes the dashboard left menu area. So I would move these icons, these areas, the navigation and the styles, into the design area here instead. So that would, in a sense, remove both of these icons and remove this whole vertical line here. One click it and open up, and you will see a design and with styles and navigation. So so that's one suggestion. Another suggestion is to then actually have it in list view. I will show you that as well. So I made a comment on this PR here, where one can open list view. More and more people are starting to use to get an overview of the site. One can open up the navigation. Earlier one would see like just a page list like so, and one can just add it. So one can drag and drop and make modifications to the menu direct here, and just see the modifications and direct take place in the layout area. So this would be using an existing method, list view, to handle modifying the navigation. So another suggestion would be to actually add in the navigation block sidebar settings area. Here's for display color. Edit here is something I just can add it. One can click to open it up, and here one can just edit the navigation just as part of the settings for navigation in the sidebar. So these are just various suggestions that have come up. There is also another suggestion, actually another PR tested, where it uses focused editing mode. As you click into and goes to the top here you can select the menu, click the three dots. I'm testing another PR here in another local site. And here we can click to edit header navigation, and this goes into the focused mode for header navigation. So let's see, I'm going to do that again. Go to the top and select header navigation. Here one can drag and drop and do this into the focused mode. For me, this is just really much hidden away. Editing the navigation should be nice and visible, either in the list view or maybe a list view, and in the sidebar settings for the navigation. For the block, maybe under kind of like an edit or something like that here, or in a design navigation here. I would say those are some of the suggestions to make it more visible and not kind of do anything with the visuality of the site. Because here we see a nice white area here. There's no vertical area here to do anything with this layout. We kind of see what we get here in a sense. So I think that's it.